This is our new a new heating system, which was installed through the government. It's government funded. People who are on benefits can get this installed for free. You're talking roughly, I don't know, maybe well over £20,000 worth of equipment and work. But this is supposed to be, these are the new types of heating system that are environmentally friendly. They're to reduce carbon emissions, I do believe. And I've been able to get this where I live. So yeah, very, very impressive piece of kit. Touch screens, you can control the different zones of your different zones, zone 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the thermostats. Upstairs, downstairs, hot water. And then at the back, if we come here, I'll show you. We have this this huge, looks like an air conditioner, but it's not. It's the this is the it's a heating system. It's a very large one. Let's have a look. Oh, you can hear it whirring away. Can't really stand further back because I ain't got no shoes on. That's it in a nutshell. It's an amazing piece of machinery. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with this. They installed all the radiators. And they'll be coming to install a set of solar panels as well on the roof. There we go. That's what I have to say about that.